The manual tilt master can lift, tilt, and transport crates, boxes, and pallets with an open bottom. It is designed to give the user an ergonomically correct position to reach loads in material without the need for bending down or excessively reaching over. The user can tilt the forks to a 90-degree position by first moving the lever and then using the ergonomic handle to raise or tilt the unit. Pull the lever to select between lowering or tilting the unit. The capacity for the manual tilt master is 2,200 pounds, and the units roll smoothly on 6x2 polyurethane swivel casters with brake and foot protect. The ergonomic handle allows user to lower and raise the unit easily. The individual fork width is 6¼ inches. The manual tilt master can only lift skids and open bottom pallet. Designed with low maintenance needs in mind, the tilt master minimizes operational costs and delivers exceptional performance. Its vibrant yellow color adds visibility, ensuring safety in bustling work sites. With certified MTP complete family of sample dividers offering a wide range of performance features and capacities, certified MTP has the right equipment for your accurate representative sampling needs. Be sure to check out these and all our products listed in the Certified MTP catalog and on the Certified MTP website. Certified MTP, your industry leader in material testing equipment. So visit Certified MTP.